Welcome to our channel Daily Psychology Facts. Please support us by subscribing. Today, we'll be talking about 9 things that happy couples should avoid doing on social media. Social media has become a major part of our lives, and it's important to know how to use it without damaging our relationships. Let's get started. Number 1. Don't overshare. Sharing every detail of your personal life on social media can be tempting, but it's important to remember that some things should be kept private. Oversharing can make your partner uncomfortable and may even cause unnecessary conflicts. Number 2. Avoid public fights. It's never a good idea to fight with your partner on social media. Doing so can be embarrassing, and it can also attract unwanted attention. If you have an issue with your partner, it's best to discuss it in private. Number 3. Don't post anything without your partner's permission. Posting pictures or videos of your partner without their permission can be a major breach of trust. Make sure to always ask your partner before sharing anything about them on social media. Number 4. Don't flirt with others. Flirting with others on social media can be a major red flag in any relationship. It's important to remember that your partner should always be your priority, and any flirting with others can hurt them and damage your relationship. Number 5. Don't air your dirty laundry. Avoid airing your dirty laundry on social media. This can be anything from posting negative comments about your partner to discussing your relationship problems publicly. Doing so can make your partner feel embarrassed and may cause long-term damage to your relationship. Number 6. Don't use social media to spy on your partner. Using social media to spy on your partner can be a major breach of trust. If you have trust issues, it's important to discuss them with your partner and find a way to work through them. Number 7. Don't compare your relationship to others. It's easy to compare your relationship to others on social media, but it's important to remember that what you see on social media isn't always the reality. Comparing your relationship to others can create unrealistic expectations and cause unnecessary stress. Number 8. Don't ignore your partner in favor of social media. Spending too much time on social media can be detrimental to any relationship. Make sure to prioritize spending quality time with your partner and limit your social media use when you're together. Number 9. Don't use social media as a substitute for real-life interactions. Social media can be a great way to stay connected with others, but it's important to remember that it can never replace real-life interactions. Make sure to spend quality time with your partner in person and use social media as a supplement, not a substitute. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they'll help you maintain a healthy relationship with your partner on social media. Remember, social media can be a great tool for connecting with others, but it's important to use it wisely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice.